Hey, welcome to another Moonoveraquarius Experience road trip. Today we're going to take you on the N3 Eastern Bypass, taking off the London off-ramp. Continue up. Till you get to the top by London Road. You can either turn right, you will go into Alex, but we're going to continue straight on Peace Avenue, and we're going to be driving through the Meadowvale Business Park. Alright, join us as we continue down Peace Street. All the different businesses available and around. So I developed this whole area. I remember it was just all felt land. Alright, okay, we're going to carry on going down Peace, all the way down till we get to the Modderfontein Road. If you continue over, you'll go into the shopping malls, but we're going to hit a left and we're going to go down Modderfontein Road. All the way down, you see all the different complexes on our right hand side. This is what the area known as Greenstone on our right. However, let's continue down Modderfontein Road. On your left you'll have the golf course, and a little further on you will get the Modderfontein factory. Okay, we're going to hit a right on Laurie Road. Continue down on our right is the area known as Leondale. We're going to carry on going through the suburb. Heading towards Sebenza Business Park. And then we'll be in Betschana Road. Yeah. Continue down. We're going to go over Terrace Road. This is the Eden Glen area. On our right hand side, Edenvale. And then we're going to go into Harris Road. Sorry, Harris Avenue. Still on Harris Avenue. Sebenza on our left, big industrial area. And then we're going to come to the intersection, the Cara Glen Super Spa on our right, and that's the Cara Glen Shopping Centre. And the Virgin Active, all on this main intersection. Burger King. Right, so we hit a left at Baker Road. Go down. If you carried on with this road, you would end up in Alexandra, but we're going to turn right into Mannie Road. And just go through the boom area, and that's where we're going to end off. Thank you for joining us once again on this road trip. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button,